whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
What's up, guys? Welcome to today's vlog. I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to Living for Shayon. In today's vlog, I told you guys in the last vlog, if you watched it, if you have not, make sure you run over there and watch it. I'm going to be starting a deep cleaning series. So this will be the first episode of my deep cleaning series. So I'm super excited. I always do cleaning, but I never do deep cleaning. So today we're going to deep clean my fridge because I did go to Walmart and get some groceries. So I want to clean it out before I put all these new groceries in. I completely purged my refrigerator. There's nothing in it. So I just want to go wipe it down. As you know, I clean a lot, so it's not that bad. I just want to wipe it down with some Clorox, put everything up, do a little bit of organization, and just get my week started. So if you love cleaning vlogs, if you love organization vlogs, then this is the channel for you. Make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button and make sure you guys interact with this vlog. Please go watch the other vlogs in this playlist as well as they come up. I'm going to be trying to drop at least 2 cleaning vlogs a week. You guys really love them, and I see you guys always watching them and supporting them, so I'm going to do more of them. Okay, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and we're going to jump into it.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime.
bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold the corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold the corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to. I need you. 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 Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They ain't going bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold the corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold the corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to. I need to. I need to. I need to. I need you. 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 I need to hold the corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold the corner, and it's no wine. One time, cause girl, you're not nice, you're rude.
Still got love for you, mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Okay guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to today's vlog. I hope you guys took this time to clean out you guys' refrigerator as well. As I said, this will be the first of my deep clean series. I think the next thing I'll do is another part of the kitchen, which will be like all of my cabinets underneath everything. I want to purge everything, get new dishes, everything. So you guys stay tuned for the next vlog. Make sure you guys go watch my last vlog and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.